Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo XC60 T5 R-Design. This is in electric silver with a charcoal leather interior, and it has just under 20,000 miles on it. With the purchase of a pre-owned Volvo, you get the Volvo On-Call subscription. That's an app on your phone, and you'll be able to remote start your car from that. Great in the winter. You'll be able to unlock your doors, lock your doors, check the gas, schedule maintenance. It's just a super useful app, and to resubscribe, it's not that much for a yearly subscription either. Keyless entry and hands-free power liftgate. This is an all-wheel drive SUV. Plenty of room in the back here. The R-Design with a charcoal roof and the panoramic sunroof. This has the powerful back seats. They don't come back up, though. You have to pop them up manually. Integrated tailpipes, R-Design wheels. The interior is where this one really shines. It's so cool. Nubuck leather in the center, and then the perforated charcoal Napa leather on the sides. Super sporty. Memory seating for two. You get the metal pedals with the R-Design, and then this has the leg extension piece. It's being mean to me. Your center screen. This is the ignition switch, so with your foot firmly on the brake, you turn that, you'll see all of your safety features listed upon startup. This has navigation, heated steering, heated seats in the front. You'll find your vehicle functions on this screen, your backup camera. And you'll be able to download some apps of your own. On the right here is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto when you plug that in. And then this screen will just represent your phone, so it's a giant version of your phone. Well, this is stock number 6046A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need. And if this isn't the exact one you want, don't worry, because we have tons in stock. So we'll see you down on 9 US Route Run in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.